Happy end of summer, everybody. It's Dr. Bob Kumra. I did want to just give you a special shout out. I hope you're enjoying those last few weeks of summer before the kiddos go back to school. I can't believe the year is over half done, and I can't believe we're already thinking about little murmurings of like Christmas time and holiday time. It's a very exciting time, and I did want to say hello and thank you for being awesome patients. Whether you're here with us in DC or you're in our Junior Smiles of Stafford kiddo dental office or our Kumra Orthodontics in Virginia. Hope to see you guys soon, and I really do hope everything's going well. I did want to schedule this newsletter or email blast to just stay in touch with you guys and say hello periodically and give you an update on the office and answer some questions that I tend to get repeatedly from different parents about. One in particular is, when should I schedule my first orthodontic visit for my child? Usually the orthodontist will want to see the patient around the age of 7. Now please don't get alarmed. It doesn't mean that you need treatment at the age of 7. Around 7 is when you have what we call the transitional stage going on, where the child has half baby teeth and half adult teeth. While they're going through the growth process, we want to make sure that the adult teeth have enough space to come in and the baby teeth are coming out at the appropriate time. Usually what we do is we take a quick panoramic image or an x-ray just to track how the teeth are. And for some of you parents that have heard me in my initial consult with a child, I will say I'm like a parking attendant at a Cowboys football game. I'm saying, you Toyota Tacoma, get out of here. Honda Accord, go on in. All right, Dodge Caravan, come on back here. So really what I'm doing is just organizing and making sure space is there just to see what's going on. So again, right around age 7, 8, come on in, a complimentary assessment just so we can see what's going on. And I'm in my DC location on 19th Street. If you look right over there, that is our old place, 1120 19th Street. We have now moved here to 1136 19th Street. So come on in, and just to give you a heads up, still the same staff, still the same doctors, but we're here now in our own new place over here to serve you guys better.